How to translate videos in Captions. Captions video translation. Now, translating your video on Caption is very simple. Whether you want to change the language of the video by using the AI dub feature, or whether you want to translate only the captions of the video. Either way, both of this is actually possible. To do this, just tap on Create button from the bottom of the Captions app and tap on Import Footage to select your footage where you want to translate it, right? So once you've selected your footage, you can select Add Captions. First of all, select the spoken language accurately. So I've spoken English in this video, so I will select that. Now select the translation language to which language you want to translate to. So I'll just select that and you can choose one of the languages over here. Once you've chosen your language, you can choose translation preferences. The first is AI Translate, which will only translate your captions. The second is AI dubbing itself, so it's going to automatically dub that particular video, and if it is a video where you're talking to the camera, it will also try to match the lip sync in real time and using your own voice. So once you have that, tap the apply button and tap on the AI dub button from the bottom to translate that video. This way you can translate videos in Captions. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.